We're excited to introduce Omega, the world's smallest 200-watt GAN charger. At only 220 grams, Omega is 65% lighter than traditional chargers, featuring 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports that supports fast charge technology from major brands including Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo and OnePlus. Finally, a charger that replaces 4 bulky chargers, meaning no more messy cables, giving you and Plus One charging portability in a pinch. Dual 100-watt USB-C power delivery 3 ports makes Omega the world's first portable charger that can charge 2 MacBook Pros at full speed simultaneously. So you can both fast charge up to 4 devices at the same time, including laptops, tablets, smartphones and mobile devices. Featuring patent-pending 180-degree foldable prongs, allowing you to fit the Omega charger into any of those tight spaces, on the floor or on the wall. When you're done, simply flick the prongs closed and it fits easily into your pocket. However, we didn't stop there. We also created the world's smallest 100-watt charger, 3 times lighter and smaller than the world's leading competitor. Comparable to a box of Eclipse Mints, with 2 USB-C 100-watt ports and a USB-A port, this is the perfect portable charger for anyone with today's on-the-go lifestyle. There are also 3 pin converters included for worldwide compatibility, making it perfect for travelers. Omega's groundbreaking size is made possible through gallium nitride, a smaller and more efficient semiconductor material. Thank you Kickstarter backers for bringing Charge ASAP to life and continuing to drive our innovation. This is our 9th campaign. Omega, the world's smallest 100-watt and 200-watt charger, the last charger you'll ever need.
You're gonna need a lot of help if you want to work efficiently and comfortably, my friends. Most importantly, a healthy neck. Being seated all day is unhealthy, especially in bad posture. And guess what? It's not gonna help with your productivity. Hey, have you done ascending? No. What? Why? Great, as if we don't have enough problems. Now, see how this brilliant product changes the way we work. Work differently with XKit. Let me show you what you can do. Introducing XKit, world's first integrated and foldable ergonomic hub stand. Your efficient and healthy companion for remote working. 5-in-1 USB-C hub integrates all the necessary ports for easier connections. 4 adjustable angles fix your posture, say goodbye to neck, arm, and shoulder fatigue. Aircraft-grade aluminum alloy plus PC ABS base, lighter but harder. And the hollow triangle design offers great heat dissipation to prevent the laptop from overheating. Pretty impressive, huh? And I'm sorry about that interruption earlier. Did you manage to finish?
It's here.
Whoa, that was fast!
And here.
It supports 4K HDMI display with 3D. And thanks to its compact design, you can use it anywhere. Cafe, outdoor meetings, of course, back to the office. Basically, anywhere you go. Got a problem? It's my time now.
Getting creative with 3D printers is amazing,
But it's not easy to print large, complex 3D models with typical 3D printers. Many of them cannot support the demands of high-quality, large-scale prints. Now there is. Introducing Print Hero, an affordable and effective 4K SLA 3D printer for large-scale prints. Featuring 293 by 165 by 400 millimeter build volumes, users can print extra-large projects that fit the size of their big dreams. Up to 3 kilograms of resin volume can be printed continually. Bring out the maximum of the creativity without adding resins many times. The 30 micrometer per hour print speed allows fast completion of large-scale projects while maintaining accuracy and reliability. Print Hero features a 4K resolution 13.3-inch LCD screen, achieves an XY axis resolution of 76 micrometers, Z axis resolution of 10 micrometers, and uniform exposure for 98% effective surface area. It's the perfect tool to unlock your imagination, and its user-friendly design makes it the best LCD SLA 3D printer for everyone. Although Print Hero has professional-level quality, its printing process is intuitive and simple. The hydraulic rod flip cover design allows you to operate it with one hand, saving time and effort. The 5-inch touchscreen lets you to preview the print model quickly, and the cable, USB drive, or Wi-Fi connections make data transfers easy. The durable all-metal body adds stability and gives the machine a sleek, modern look. Print Hero offers multiple resin types including water-washable resin, nylon-alike resin, and TPU-alike resin. But the printer is also capable with most available third-party resins, and you can use additional paints to achieve any color match you want. Print Hero is the ultimate large-scale 3D printer for designers, engineers, architects, manufacturers, and 3D printing fans. We are a team of enthusiasts with a mission to constantly push the envelope with creative products that improve the 3D printing experience for everyone. So if you need an industrial large-scale and high-precision SLA 3D printer that delivers bigger prints with higher precision, back us today and receive an exclusive discount on Print Hero.